Today's recipe is roasted garlic and sun-dried tomato pasta. And we're gonna begin first with the garlic because this takes the most in terms of cooking, but by roasting it, you're gonna get it so much better than just cooking it into the pan. And we wanna get to this part of the garlic because here is where we're gonna add all the ingredients and seasoning to give this garlic a much better flavor. Right, aluminium foil, extra virgin olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, a good pinch of coarse salt, and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. And on top also goes a sprig of thyme and a sprig of rosemary. Now bring the edges together and enclose the garlic in. Ready for the air fryer, or you can cook it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. While we're roasting the garlic into the air fryer, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. And I've got here a white onion, we're only gonna use a quarter and we're gonna chop it finely. Now sun-dried tomatoes, we're gonna use about 6 halves and we're gonna chop them finely, same as the onion. Now let's move all these ingredients to a pan that's on medium-high heat. Now in terms of oil, I recommend using about 2 tablespoons of the sun-dried tomato oil. And we are to cook this for about 5 minutes or until the onion starts becoming translucent. Optionally, I also like adding a pinch of chili flakes. If you don't like chili, just skip it. So the roast garlic is out, let's see what we've got. Now because it's cooked all the way through, all you have to do is just squeeze it over your sun-dried tomatoes. Cook it for a further minute or 2 and try to break it into smaller bits, almost like turning it into a puree. Now it's time to add the pasta, but make sure that you keep some of that pasta water because you're gonna need it to adjust the sauce. And to begin with, about a ladle goes in. Now for the pasta to absorb some of these flavors, we're gonna cook it for about 2-3 minutes with this sauce. After the cooking process, you can go in with some grated parmesan and also with some freshly chopped parsley. Season to your taste, but most likely you don't need any more salt because the pasta water was already salty. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.